If you have a 1963 Dodge 880 and the plastic clips that hold the rocker panel molded on the car are missing the little nubs that fit into the holes on the body, here is what I did. I bought some of these plastic plugs. Part number AP12137 from AUVECO Products. Then I cut a little bit off the edge. As you can see, I try to make it square. Then grind it a little bit on it, right in the middle, to try to get it flat. Then I drilled a 7/16 hole in the plastic clip. There's the original hole. Here's the 7/16 hole. Inserted the plug. There you go. So that's what you end up with. I had to drill the holes in the body slightly larger. I made them 3 times smaller than a 7/16. I made them 25/64. Line them up, popped them in the holes, and here are the results. Oh yeah, check it out, boys and girls. Really tickled. Now I'm getting ready to do my second one. The right side. I had one clip missing, so I had to make one, and I used some mild steel 1/8 inch stick, 1 inch wide. Did the same thing I did the plastic clips. 7/16 hole, and pushed a plastic plug through it. You can see. Fits right here, and right down here. On my left side molded, on this one too, I got a couple of the original plastic clips, in which that little teeny weeny clip, I call it a little nub, or a little tit, is broken. So what I did was push that thing down where it's flat against this part, and filled that part right there, and over here, down the side a little bit on the back side of the plastic clip. JB Weld. Let it set overnight. When it got hard, it made it like a little wedge. Don't forget to put your plug in there. So, good luck, you guys. Hope this helps. And yes, she is a 2-door hardtop. Supposedly only 2,804 built. Take care, guys. Hope this helps.